Hi class, I'm going to show you how to use Google Earth for this lesson. So I'm going to provide you with the link to get to the Google Earth website. When you get to the main web page, you're going to click on Launch Earth in Chrome. And then this just might take a few seconds to load. Once it loads, you're going to see this image of the Earth. Now, if you look to the left, you're going to see this icon that says I'm feeling lucky. When you have your mouse over it, you're going to click on this icon and it's going to bring you to a random destination on the Earth. So, this is a museum in Moscow, Russia. If you want to learn more about your destination, you can click on this image in the little information box to read more about it. So this is more about the museum. But if you weren't interested in your destination, that's not a problem at all because you can just click on the I'm feeling lucky icon again to get a different destination. So as you can see, this museum is kind of tricky to pronounce, so it might be a little difficult, but it does say underneath Museum in Moscow, Russia, so that kind of helps you out in understanding where the destination is and what it is. But like I said, you can just click on the I'm feeling lucky button again to take you to another destination. So I will be providing you with a worksheet and you will be recording information from each destination that you travel to using the I'm feeling lucky feature. And I will be providing assistance to you throughout the activity. So I'm really excited for you guys to try it, and I think that you'll have a lot of fun using Google Earth. And you can just keep on clicking the I'm feeling lucky button to get to a different destination. So let me know if you need any help and enjoy the lesson.